Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install and create DB user in PostgreSQL on Debian 11.3. PostgreSQL is the most advanced, powerful open source object relational database system that uses and extends the SQL language combined with multiple features that safely store and scale the most complicated data workloads. First, I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next, now I am going to check the PostgreSQL availability in apt repository. After check the availability repository, next now I am going to install the PostgreSQL by using following commands. After install the PostgreSQL, next now I am going to log into the PostgreSQL user by using following commands. Next, open the PostgreSQL by using following commands. The PostgreSQL has been opened. Next, now I am going to create a database. The database name was Linux database. Create database name. The PostgreSQL database has been created. Next, list the all databases by using following commands. /l using list the all databases. So this is for the PostgreSQL all databases. This is for now I am created the new database in Linux. Next, connect to the Linux database. Enter /c and enter the database name. The database has been changed. Now I am going to create a new user in created database. Create user. Enter the username. With password. Enter the password. Then enter. Now create a new user. Next, now I'm going to grant all privileges from the sample user to Linux database. Grant all on database. Enter the database name. To enter the username. Grant all privileges from the sample user. Now I'm going to list the user from the database. This is for the database user and grant for the all privileges. So now I'm going to exit from the PostgreSQL database using exit command. So this is the step you can follow for how to install and create database and user in PostgreSQL on Debian version 11.3 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.